Kung gusto mong tumawa na maaari lang utuwad at nagtala, tutok lang sa channelings ni Mama Joella Cuella.
Everyone, welcome to Joella Cuella's Garden. So this is my another project. This has been my headache and I've been planning for this for a long time to get rid of them and transform to another project. So ngayon that I have heaps of time, so I have to get rid of them, and maybe in a week you'll see the transformation. So that's the front bit. I don't like it, and they're really growing everywhere. So that's the before the project. Some clearing out process pa tayo. So abangan nyo ang susunod na kabanata from Joella Cuella's Garden.
A few moments later.
Kamusta mga kakwela, mga kaulakulo? Ito, kagigising lang, lamos. Pero gardening is life. Kasi hindi ko pa natapos tong project ko. Tatapusin natin. And, okay. Kasi alam niyo naman, si Mama Joella ay mahilig talaga sa gardening. Okay. So, here you go. Ko lang talaga coffee, tapos nito na ako i-trim natin yan sila lily-pili, yung dalawang lily-pili kasi maganda na siya, lumaki na siya, diba? Red mulch is only $10. Nice. Nag-garden ka na, masaya ka pa, may sayawan pa. Mga kakwela. Nagka-alak-alak. Kaya tara na. Nag-garden na masaya na.
bayot kami, mga bayot kami, pitsinyo, pitsinyo. Sakit sa kong hawak. Ng hewa ko. Mga bayot kami, mga bayot kami, mga bayot kami, pitsinyo. What? Ayan na nga. Ayan na nga. Okay, look at it. So it really make difference when you put red mulch on it on the ground. So ayan na. So diba? Malinis na siya. So malinis na ang ground. So it's not purely the soil that you can see, but I read mulching, because mulchings, it's also help that the weeds won't grow. So that's why that's the important of mulching. So yan na. So when you back further, that's the view of my new project. So if you want to ask me how much it cost this, I think because here in Australia, most of all things that you're using in your garden, you have to buy, even to the last grass. No? So lahat dito binibili. Okay, lahat dito talagang it costs money. So it's not like in Asia that you can ask from your neighbors, you know, like this and like so. We've got neighbors, but they're not around, and so it's not good to pin someone. So maybe the total cost of these is like over $350, or should I say, including all, maybe almost $300. Diba? Yan lang. Kasi yung dalawang plants na yan, I think, okay, those lily plants, they're really good lily plants. They are the red lily plants. Or I show you what's that kind of red lily. Ito yung pangalan. Okay, this is it. Lily pilly. Di ba may mga red siya sa ano? Pinutol ko siya dati. Mga nasa $75 yan, no? Dalawa na yan, $150. Tapos yung mga plants. Yan. Yan, $20. Yan, 10, 20, 25. Okay, 10 plus another 10. At saka yan, OMG, that each one of that, what is that? Trellis, something Trellis? Yeah, that is $40 each. That's 1, 2, 3, that is $120. Okay. So wag na lang pintahin kasi dito, pag mahilig ka sa garden, it costs a lot of money. Okay. So diba? Maganda ba siya? Simple lang, pero at least kasi, if you can see, okay, kung anong dati dito, talagang it really looks like, okay, bushy talaga siya. Kaya I really had to really dug for many days para makuha ko yung mga ugat-ugat dun sa ilalim. So ayan na siya. That's the view. Okay, di ba? If you can compare before and now and then, that now makes a lot of difference. Okay. So, yan lang buhay ni Mamang Kwela. Kwelang-kwela, masaya na my garden po. Thanks for watching. If you haven't subscribed my channel, please don't forget to subscribe and click the notification bell para okay, ma-inform ka pag may bago akong video. Lalala, mga kakwela, babush.